In a situation like this, where you have thousands of pieces of data and multiple variables, the first thing to do is copy and paste one selection of the data and remove the duplicates. To do this, you go up to Data, Remove Duplicates. Now this will give you all the individual cities that are listed. Now let's do the same thing for offenses. Highlight offenses, copy, this time copy it to a different tab, and remove duplicates. Now this will give you all of the unique offenses. Now we want to put this on the same table as the cities. So just copy the offenses, go back to the other sheet. In cell B1, you want to paste, click the down arrow, and transpose. Now it'll be easier when you're creating a data table when comparing city to offense. Now to create the proper formula to be able to count all of the forgeries in Syracuse, forgeries in Mattydale, and so on, you're going to use Countifs. So equals, we'll zoom in a little, equals Countifs. You want the one with the S because we're going to be looking at multiple variables. So next we want to pull the offenses from this page because this is what it's actually going to be counting. Enter comma. Then we're going to enter B1 because that's what it's counting for. Enter comma again, and we're going to enter the second variable we're looking for. So in this case, city, highlight the entire row, comma, Syracuse. Now what this number is giving you is the number of forgery or counterfeits in the city of Syracuse, which is at 17. So if we want to be able to just drag formulas across without having to change anything, we're going to have to anchor cells. Anchoring cells means that when you're dragging formulas, it always pulls information from the same cell. So first, let's anchor G. To anchor, you simply add a $sign in front of the column and the number. So in this case, both G's. We also want to do it with F because we want to anchor the F columns. Next, if we want to drag down, we want to anchor the B's because B1 will always be what it pulls. So put a $sign in front of B and in front of the 1 and hit enter. Now you can drag down and it'll produce the count for each city for forgeries and counterfeit. Next, if we want to drag across, we're going to have to change the anchoring. So simply delete the B anchoring, select the A, and drag across. So now you can simply drag down in order to fill the table, but this will give you the count by city of each offense.